Kpone is a combination of Gadangbe and Akwamu tradition all mixed together. Like a cocktail. My name is Kpone Banyona, that cocktail. I'm touching anybody KOFI FRANKWA ni major publication ke social media chairman ke Kpone Homowo to for the past I think 3 years now. Kplejoo mambi fen o maye ngene wo fe no ko krede ni manomia ke be wo afigbejano to we BP ke be ya hye ke be ma fe yimfe ameshkonsko ake afie baba no eba no abayi ayi she for some time ne ni dia feel think ya ne le Kpone ni toto 2 the second la jenche e try fa hye ake shin be keje na kan afie no wo gishishen ken ya fe afie afo mi don no hewo no ni ba afie ami shiko ake o eba no abaye aye ke ni bi efe be da afie wo ba pa afie hebo ke wo pa afie hebo pe keke mambi fe no ne ameyi fe ame ake afie ba no ke no fe no mo fe mo na fan ake afie wo ba jokpele ke wo jokpele pe be sen ba ya fa keni no ni wo fe ngmene and the focal point ni working this year afie unity focusing on industrialization because wole ake Kpone one of the industrial hubs or the leading industrial hubs Ghana ne companies was Kpone, but over the period when you go engage ame chon ye o afigbejano to na shin afine lele nko boba na ke was sponsorship pull-ups can be or PowerPoint power plants companies ujini yo was Kpone no fe he ba me we are focusing on our industries who are also within was Kpone no keni sure you want penny wo yo ke ha Gadangbe be fe ke Kpone yageshi Kpone is very unique when it comes to tradition. And you are doing when you combine with Gadangbe Bejano to Kusum Bejano to ke or Akwamu Bejano to when you combine it beautifully. You will call it the combination of Gadangbe and Akwamu tradition all mixed together like a cocktail. My name is Kpone Banyona, that cocktail ni won pe mambi fe na ambakwe work bejano to boni yo aha boni yo for kesen yafa bono na boni ma Josh Kalata fe work boni woba ma mi aha ke wokusum bejano to boni yo fe ajo ne ke kusum ni fe during our festival. So it is a beautiful scene won pe jemko jimpa wo fe namba yi ne ke ni fe mo ne he odase ma bi fan ira don